Meet my dad. He constantly travels and struggles to take care of his teeth. His fast-paced lifestyle has given him 3 cavities this year. He's not alone. 96% of adults in Canada have had tooth decay, and only 1 in 25 follow the complete oral hygiene regimen recommended by dentists. Why? Because it's inconvenient. It's just hard for people to brush their teeth when they're out and about in public places, or in my dad's case, public airplane bathrooms. So to fill this gap between traditional oral care that's effective and inconvenient chewing gums that are ineffective, we have decided to create Toothpods, a convenient, natural chewable that cleans the mouth and boosts your oral hygiene. So when it's inconvenient to brush, floss, or use mouthwash, Toothpod is there for you to clean your entire mouth and remineralize your enamel within minutes of chewing. So what does that mean? Toothpod actually creates a layer of protection over these holes you see on your teeth and stops the bacteria from entering. It also has natural extracts with antibacterial properties, as well as enzymes that break the food down in between your teeth. And the combination of all these 3 elements is novel and the basis for our patent. That means Toothpods are going to revolutionize dental care because they're convenient and they prevent cavities. And they also promote a peace of mind to people on the go, like my dad. There are other products in the market, but none of them have the 3 unique components that Toothpods do that are natural and biodegradable. And this is all thanks to our wonderful team of individuals with expertise in dental care, Canadian Dental Association, research, FDA, and much more, backed by our advisory board, who's had experience filing over 60 patents and worked with companies like Colgate, Crest, and P&G. We're all working together to reinvent oral hygiene. And thanks to our great feedback from the LiONS, we were able to expand our interview basis over 200 people, as well as create a potential partnership with Travelway International, a global travelway and logistics company. We're first going to sell Toothpod 1 in online and Canadian travel retail for $6, as most people, 80% of our interviewees said that they would use Toothpods during air travel. We're going to sell it there to establish relationships with customers, suppliers, and manufacturers, which will set us up to launch Toothpod 2, an FDA-approved chewable with deeper oral hygiene. And this will be sold at airports, military, airplanes, and dental associations, as well as dental clinics that have already expressed interest in selling Toothpods and endorsing it to their patients. We know that the market's already growing because the sugarless gum market is supposed to grow 7.2% annually between now and 2025, so the serviceable market is growing, and we're going to take shares from the sugar-free gum market, dental ancillary, and breath freshener market, a total market of $6.7 billion. We're currently in the lab working to finalize Toothpod 1 for launch in November, as well as working with R&D for Toothpod 2, running tests with chewing simulators in the dental faculty. And lastly, who's ready to choose Toothpod? Because a Toothpod a day keeps the dentist away. Thank you.